Colour you associated with calmness and confidence. And as you walk out this room, you close the door behind you, and something happens.
Right before the line, complete stop before your line. Yep, that's the law. 1, 2. When the light's red, treat it like a stop sign. When you have a stop sign in the line, you never go past the line, right? You always stop first before you proceed. So it's the same thing with the red light. I don't know why they call them speed bumps. They just slow you down.
The door now changes colour, so it becomes the same colour as the room of confidence. This door now fades and blends in with the wall, so it can no longer be seen.
Before you go over the tracks, remember, if they go over the tracks, get you to turn your head 90 degrees, just exaggerate that head movement a little bit so they see your head turn. On the day of your road test, it might be a good idea to put a hat on, so they see this part in their peripheral vision moving.
You see now this part of you that used to be the bad part is now playing and is integrated with the other positive part. And you now feel ready to leave these parts to play in this room as you begin your journey back towards the door that you first entered. And as you reach this door, you turn around and take a look, and you see these parts all playing together, all having great fun.
Yeah, 96 is a really good score. You're like right up there with my top students. It's very rare to see that. 96. It's more, usually it's somewhere in the 80s.
Well, it must be all the video games I play.
There you go.
And you wonder where the problem ever was. And you open the door now. You step beyond the door and close it behind you.
Share the road.
Share the road with cyclists.
Supposed to keep like 1.5 meters away, right?
Yeah,
Something like that.
1.5 meters, yeah.